Hey guys, welcome to another short episode where we answer your questions in short form videos. So this one we have gotten quite a few of online and in person, and it is how we got our stickers for the car, basically, how we got the logo and the stickers printed. So we are not really professionals. I don't have lots of money to throw at, paying people to do these things. So the actual logo I just made on Canva. So if you've never heard of that before, it's like a digital design website. I went on, found some colors I liked, I found some font, and I just thought this up on my own. They do have templates on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in some footage of Canva. So it's just canva.com. I don't even think it's .au. It's free, and you can just make your own logo. Alright, so you need to go to Google, just type in Canva, and then you can just click on the first one that comes up. So it'll open it up. You do need to have an account though, so if you don't have one, sign up. I'm already signed in, so this is what the homepage looks like. And then you can just use the search bar to find the logo template. If you have a look on the sidebar here, there are a heap of options. So you can use the search bar to search for something in particular. So I might just type in travel. And then you can scroll through and have a look. The little crown symbol, if you click on it, that actually is something that you have to pay for. So just make sure you pick one that doesn't have the little crown symbol in the corner. So let's just pick, that one will do. And you can actually click on all the different elements and you can change the colors, you can remove things, you can add things, or you can completely start from scratch if you prefer. Then you just click File, Download, and you can download that one into your computer. To get it printed, I went onto Vistaprint. So everyone's probably heard of that. They have stickers this size. This is a
70.
Is it 70 by 70?
Yep.
So I'll drop it in if that's wrong. About a 70 by 70. They had all different sizes. This is just a car door sticker. It came square. I've just literally cut around it. To get 2 done for the car, 1 for each door and 1 done for the back of the caravan, it cost us like $50, which is not much really. So I literally just downloaded the picture I had made from Canva, uploaded it into Vistaprint, and pretty much just press print. Alright, again we go back to Google, we type in Vistaprint, and we can just click the first one that comes up. Again, you will need an account, so just make sure you sign up and sign in. But we just go to signage and click car door decals. From there, we're just going to click size. The ones we used on our caravan and on our canopy were just the 60 by 60 centimetre sizing, but you can obviously choose whatever suits you. And you can choose either white or clear as a background, whatever you prefer. As you can see, they're $22.99 full price. We actually got ours on sale, so they were much cheaper than that, so you can just wait for a sale. Then you can just select an image, so just press upload. You can then click on your logo, press open, and Vistaprint will upload it. If the quality's not great, it'll also sharpen your image, which is fantastic because sometimes the logo's not quite such a good quality that you can blow it up, but this fixes that problem. There we go. Alright, just press next, and then you're just going to review it to make sure you're happy with it. Press continue. And there you go, it's all added to your cart and you can buy them. If you want the QR codes, they're really, really easy. You literally just type into Google, make a QR code, and you pop your link in and it turns it into a QR code. I downloaded it, uploaded it into Vistaprint and printed them off. And I think for the 3 on this side and the 3 on that side, it was $15 or something. Like, it was really cheap. I did get it all on sale. They have sales all of the time. But yeah, that is how you do it. You can obviously pay people to make you logos and whatnot, but again, we're not made of money. So the last question we get is, why do you have logos on your car? I've had that a few times, like people are a bit funny about whether they want to or not. Honestly, I find people with logos or their names on the car, even if it's just like a little, just the name of their handle of their channel, Instagram or Facebook or whatever, it's a really good way to find other traveling families, because you just see them and you're like, right, we're going to have things in common straight up because we're all doing the same thing. And honestly, that's probably the best reason to have it, isn't it? We get a little bit of advertisement for our channels off it. I wouldn't say it's like a huge amount, but it's mainly just to meet people, really.
Yeah.
Me and Dion are both pretty quiet
Yes.
when it comes to meeting new people. It's not super confident. If I could bottle Hudson's confidence at meeting new people and give it to us, we'd be great. So we just find this is a bit of a talking point. People, will just come up to us and, oh, you're traveling, like let's, and it's an icebreaker.
Not only that, we've also had other people come up to us as they've recognised us from them,
Yes.
as they watch the channel.
Yeah, people who've watched the channel or follow us on Instagram, they'll come over and say hi, which is really nice to meet those people. So yeah, that's it. Questions or comments, chuck them below. But it's not much more to it. I'll chuck some footage in of us actually putting the stickers on, but it was super, super, super easy. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so she's nice and clean, new stickers.